Everyone, Namaste. This is me, Visalgiri. Today I am here in front of the mobile camera, especially for speaking about the importance of learning English in the context of Nepal. In today's world, more than 4,000 languages are supposed to be spoken. One of them is English. English is spoken and written all over the world, so it has established its own identity as a global language. In the context of Nepal, the skills of spoken and written English has become must. So it is taught as a compulsory subject in schools and colleges. In Nepal, there are various reasons behind of learning and using English. English is the language of trade, that tourism, and yes, scientists, literature, and international negotiations. Those who belong to these sectors have to deal with other peoples in English, so they must have to be competent in English. Not only for this, great books by the great writers are written in English. Therefore, people have to learn English to gain the knowledge of that books. English is equally important for those people, or English is equally important for job seekers. Those people are sourced or required who are good at English, and those people are, yes, valued, and those people are respected who are good at English, and they have the high status in the society. English is necessary for those who wants to go abroad for higher studies, as international services, as abroad travels, and the like. English is necessary and equally important to converse with the tourist and take the part in international conference, trainings, and programs. To conclude, English is the unique language of diverse of people who speak different languages. Really, yes, English has linked our entire world into the small village. A person without skills or knowledge of English like a frog in a wall. So people must have to learn English to as to know about the world and everything. Okay, Christmas.